Boom, bang, bang, bing. It's your boy Jamaican J with another GTA 3 Definitive Edition video. Yeah, so I wanted to put out a couple videos. What Rockstar took the game off their launcher. For whatever reason, they say they had some files that shouldn't have been in the game, so they had to. So I couldn't have played this game on my PC because I bought it for the PCs, as y'all could notice. But yeah, man. So whatever reason, but I'm just happy it's back. You know what I'm saying? Because I was real pissed. Yeah, I bought this game and couldn't play it. I was real mad. Damn, I fucked the car up. Yeah, man. But 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. Welcome to all first-time viewer. Do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you want to. Yeah. Yeah, man. You could also find me on TikTok, Jamaican J __X. Yeah, man. So we're gonna continue from where we left off. I'm happy that I could actually play the game again. Yeah. Because I was about to ask for a refund. I ain't lying. You know what? Let's go check somebody else, yo. Let's go check Tony. Can I go this way? Nope. And a lot of people I see complaining about the rain. And I think a lot of people just put their expectations too high too, yeah. You know, it's like a revamp. You know what I'm saying? It's not like they say they're gonna make the game all over. They're just gonna put a spray paint on it. So I mean, it has its fault, man. The game has its fault, but it ain't the worst. I still enjoy playing it. And it looks good. Alright, let's go check Tony, see what's up. Tony Montana.
Take a seat, kid. Take a goddamn seat. So the laundry won't pay any protection, huh? The triads think they can mess with me? Let's teach these would-be tough guys what it means to be a tough guy.
No son of mine gets to buy some triads.
Sorry, Ma. Yes, Ma.
Ma ain't no
I want
joke.
you to destroy their laundry vans and mangle any triad gimp that gets in your way. 8-Ball can supply you with what you're gonna need.
Alright, man, I'm gonna go check 8-Ball. With a name like 8-Ball, I think he would be selling something else other than... Alright, let me go drive this piece of shit. No, it looks real good on PC, I ain't gonna lie to you. Even the street looks... Oh, look at this guy. Even the streets look real clean. Real nice. Alright, gotta destroy this van. How I destroy this van? I gotta go check 8-Ball. Where's 8-Ball though? Hold up, man. I gotta go check 8-Ball, he say. Where is 8-Ball though? Oh, 8-Ball is down here, ain't he? Hold up. 8-Ball is somewhere down here. I don't see him on the map. Let me look over here. Maybe I'm missing him. I don't know. I don't see no 8-Ball on the map. But I think he was down here, wasn't he? Yeah, let's go down here. I think he's down here. 8 ball, yeah. Alright, I got the grenades. The longer you hold RT, the further you will throw the grenade. Okay. Simple enough. Simple enough. And this car is bugging out. Alright, let me take off that thing off the map. Should get on my nerves. Okay, so there's a car right here going down parallel me. And there's one straight ahead. Alright, let me go for the one straight ahead. I know you was gonna do that, man. Get the fuck out of the way, man. Yo, man, this game is still fun to play. I'm telling you, this game is fun to play. All right, let me see how I throw this thing. How I switch weapons, man. I can't throw it while I'm in the car. Oh shit, I could shoot through the window. So what about the grenade, though? How I switch the grenade? I don't know how to switch the grenade. Let me try. B is for that. X is for that. LB is for that. RB is for that. So, let me see. Maybe sideways on the D-pad. How I switch from? No, you don't, man. I don't know how to switch, but I don't know how I'm gonna blow this thing up. Shoot this shit up, yo. But that's us drive-bys. Police coming at me. Yo, how I switch the grenade, man? I know it gotta be a way. Hold up, man. Let me see the controls set up, man. But there gotta be a way. Gameplay. Controls. They don't got a control layout. I'm surprised they don't have a control layout, yeah. Cause I wanna know what's the switch to grenade. Don't tell me I gotta get out the car to do it. Alright, let me go up here. Let me go up here and see what happened. Missed him. Damn. So I guess you can't throw it while you're in the car. This is gonna be real tricky. This is gonna be tricky. I may have to shoot the driver or something. Get out and shoot the driver. Yeah, get out the way, man. I ain't got time for this. This guy is really a pain in the... out of the way here, man. Oh shit, get out, bro. Get out, 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 get out. Taxi, taxi. Oh shit. That's, sorry, Abib. Gotta go. RB to throw a grenade, right? Look at this, man. Look at this. How do I fucking get the grenade in there? I can't drive and throw. There's gotta be a way to do this shit. But you know what? Maybe I could drive beside the driver. Hold up. Move, move, move. Maybe I could drive beside the driver and shoot him. There it is. Okay. I should have did that long time ago. Instead of trying to use that damn grenade.
Take a goddamn seat. So the laundry won't pay any protection, huh? The triads
Man, I ain't using that damn grenade. Yeah, you gotta excuse my driving, y'all. Jump out, dude.
What are you doing? Get his license! You think that's that?
What's wrong with that lady? Leave me alone. Yo, move, move, move. I don't know how this truck is driving so fast, man. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm on the wrong side of the damn truck. Move, fool. Alright, where the next one at? Yeah, there's one more. Oh, cops, come on, leave me alone, man. Damn, I missed the jump. Damn, I ain't got no more bullets. Damn. And that's a bitch. And I ain't even take the grenade. jump out, dude. Damn, man.
Take a seat, kid. Take a goddamn seat. So the laundry won't pay any protection, huh? The triads think they can mess with me?
All right, all right, all right. I'm not gonna. Oh, here go Eddie. Here go a Hummer right here.
What are you doing?
Get out of it, man.
Hey, he hit me.
I need it. I'm gonna use this Hummer. Maybe it's gonna be a tougher harder vehicle to blow up.
Loser.
I should just drive down here. Get out the way, bro. Damn, she jumped right under the truck. All right, let's get some bullets. 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 Bullets.
Who's your dad?
Bullets. Bullets.
Oh, my
Bullets. Bullets.
Hey, see my knee? That's not my knee.
Are you kidding me? The mother of my children.
I'm so happy I can shit.
The guy said he's so happy that he could shit. Yeah, what the hell are they saying? Alright, who says that, man? Okay, that one is gone. You know, you gotta use a little strategy. You know? A little strategy, ain't it? Ain't it? Okay. So if we could get this one the same way without getting carried away and shit. You know? Use that same little strategy. Give it a couple shots and back off. Give it a couple shots and back off. Yo, get out the way, bro. I gotta get him on this side of the. Oh, come on, man. Cop right there too. Look at that. Okay, here we go. Yo, he's fucking. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna get him now. Two down, one to go. Okay. There's one up here. Going to the right.
Shift it, correct? I got a better car than you. Hey, I got your plate.
Gotta be careful here, man. You don't want to get too close to these things when you're shooting them. There we go.
How about you pay? Not today. There's no trouble. Crazy idiot! Okay, come in here. Oh, Fred.
Yeah, man. You know what? Let's go check Joe. Let's Let's go check Joey. Get out of here. Let's go check Joey. Show me what I'm doing. I hope. Hold up. Dead skunk in the trunk.
Beautiful. Just beautiful. Alright, just the guy I need to talk to. Alright, there's a car stuffed with a stiff at the cafe near Callahan Point. One of the Forellis thought he was a wise guy, so he got what he had coming to him. Take the corpse to the crusher in Harwood, alright?
Aye, aye, Captain.
Damn police. Yeah, been downtown, ain't no get 'em.
Okay, so we gotta get rid of the evidence. Going over there.
I can't run and leave.
Yep, I've been drinking again.
Girlfriend.
You better call your mama. Take this car, right? Yep. It's the Forelli brothers. Take it to the crusher. Oh shit. Forelli brothers are. Oh, that car is real fast, huh? Oh my god, yo. Alright, y'all gonna get some bullets, yo. Y'all gonna get some bullets. Forelli motherfuckers. Y'all better back up. Oh my god, bro. What kind of bullshit is this? Look at this. Shoot that shit up, boy. I'll shoot that shit up. Okay, let's do that again. I got something for y'all.
Just beautiful.
I should have been shooting them. Maybe I should get like a Hummer truck. Oh, that's them right here, huh? Ain't it? Yeah, look at that. That car parked right there. That's them. Oh, yep, that's them. And that's one. Okay, I didn't even see them. Okay. Motherfucker, you wanna fuck with me? Wanna fuck with Tony Montana? You wanna fuck with Tony Montana? You wanna fuck with Tony Montana? Huh? Oh shit, this car ain't catch on fire? Let me see y'all come up here. Yo, come up here, boy. Hey, y'all can't come up here, huh? Oh shit, it did. Oh man. I wanna go back for this car. Where they at? Where they at? Oh, they ain't coming. Let me go get this car real quick. Come on, Jesus. I'm going this way. Fuck that. They ain't behind me, are they? I'm good. I'm in the clear. Yeah, so anyway, we see them lights over there on the mountain. Those never used to be there, yeah. So over there never used to light up like that. So that's one extra thing they added. Yep, get rid of the evidence. You know what? Let me check my info. Exposing the evidence. Let me check my inventory. See how much bullets I have. How much bullets I have for this. How much bullets I have for that. I need to see the go to ammunition. Re-up. Damn, ain't no car up in here. That's unusual, yeah. All right, let's do one more Joey job. Yeah, there you go. Oh, they say I could steal these. So if I could steal it.
What the dealio?
Get out. They say I could take it somewhere. I forgot. Somewhere down the docks they told me I could take it. They don't even mark the fucking place where you're supposed to take these stuff. They should just put a marker there, so you know exactly where to take it. But I know you could get money for this somewhere. I forgot where to take it though. I don't remember where to take it. Alright, man. You know what? I want to go down here. Go see Tony. The pickup.
Stop making people bleed. Or trying to. He'll never be as tough as his pop. But he left you a note on the table.
The laundry has agreed to pay. You did real good, kid. Go collect the cash and bring it back here. Watch out for the triads. They may be shoving a firecracker up your ass. But don't take no crap. Nobody, I mean nobody, messes with Tony Cipriani.
Yeah, you ain't the one going to pick the cash up. I'm the one who have to go do that. Let me drive that truck, yo, cause this is a tough truck. Chinatown. Alright, let's see what's up here, man. Go pick up the cash and don't take no shit. That's what he say, right? Don't take no shit. Yo, taxi, move. Or I fuck your shit up. Alright. What's that? That's the cash. Well, if that's the cash, let me get my gun out. So I ain't taking no crap. Oh shit. These guys are blocking me in. It's a trap. Back up, dude. Oh, look how I died, man. I knew it was a trap, yo.
Stop making people bleed. Or trying to. He'll never be as tough as his pop. But he left you a note on the table.
The laundry has agreed to pay.
I know what I gotta do. See my energy? I gotta get that up. Oh, you know what? I kinda like that truck though, I ain't gonna lie. It's like an insurgent. Why is she jumping under my tires, man? So, let me go to the hospital and get some energy. Alright, for the hospital right down here. Damn. I can't get that. Oh, I get to 125. It was at 125 at first. That's the bullshit? Where am I? Hold up. Let me look around here. I think one of these spots got some armor. Look around here if it's around here. I know one of these spots got some armor. I just can't remember. It's been a while. Alright, fuck it. Damn, I fucked the truck up. I wonder if the truck gonna be. I wonder if the truck gonna be there when I take the money up. Still, I'm trying to block them off. Come on, cutscene, get out of here. Fuck the cutscene, man. Get in the truck, dude. Get in the truck. Get in the truck. Get in the truck. Motherfucker. Oh, you got me out of there. Get in the truck. Get in the truck. Fuck. Oh, come he catching me out of there, man. Get in the truck. Get in the truck. Get in the truck. Get in the truck. Oh my God, yo, this style is not working out. This style is not working out, man. They keep pulling me out the truck. What is it? Is it that the truck is moving too fast, too slow? It's not moving on fast enough. Could that be the problem? Maybe if I had something like this, it would have moved faster. Well, let's see if that is the problem. Maybe I just need some armor. Get out of the fucking street, man. Hit this fucking traffic, yo, I swear. I'm gonna try to reverse it this way. Let's try to pop a reverse right there. Hold up. See if this shit gon' let me see if this shit gonna work. If I could bust a reverse out of here. I hate this cutscene. Because by the time the cutscene is over, they're already on top of you. Get up, dude. Fuck. Fuck that. Ain't that bullshit with you, bro. Drive over your dumb ass. Fuck out of here. You got one more to kill. One more to kill. Where you at? Come on, cop. Leave me alone. Let me kill this idiot. There we go. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Yeah, baby, I'm out. Oh, it start raining. We out. Stop, bro. Jesus. Shit out of here, man. So hard to drive on this thing. The roads are so narrow. There we go. What was that mission called? Pickup. Yeah. Got 10,000. Money's getting up there. I need to go re-up on my guns. My ammunition. See how much I got there. 258. Raining and shit. Get this car. Damn, I know the cops was gonna come, yo. I'm out of here. Oh, I got that fucking. Yeah. Yeah, man, but so this is where we're gonna leave the video. You know what I'm saying? This game is still fun to play, like I said. It got its faults, but it's still fun to play. You know what I'm saying? I enjoy playing this game. If you notice, sometimes I'm not even talking because I'm so into it. Yeah, so thanks for watching. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. All my first time viewer, do remember to like, subscribe, only if you want to, you know what I'm saying? And share. Do remember to follow me on TikTok, Jamaican J_X. Yeah. So thanks for watching. God bless. One.